Hi guys, so we are here at Family Dollar, or I'm at Family Dollar, at my closest one to me. Closest one to me. And today I'm gonna do the last week of the 25 off of 75, I believe, and the 10 off of 50 and the 5 off of 25. I'm gonna do the 10 off of 50, and maybe if I feel like doing the 5 off 25, if I can keep everything straight. But I don't really have a plan for the 5 out 25. I heard that this week, I don't know, Family Dollar saw how much the couponers were saving with the 20 off of 75. I think it's 20 off 75, 20 off 75. And they took it away because I was wondering why it wasn't in the app, because I thought it would reload because it's a new week. And that's just what I saw on Instagram. So that's a bummer. That's really a bummer and sad. But anyway, I'm going here and I hope everything works out. And yeah. Okay guys, the first item that I'm going to get is a 75-ounce Gain. And this has a $1 off coupon. It's $7.50 regular price. $1 digital, making it $6.50. And I forgot to say, y'all, just go on Family Dollar or go on to your Google Play, whatever you have in your phone or the App Store, download the Family Dollar app, and these are all digital coupons, so you can just clip them and add it. And then if you're using the 10 off 50, whichever one, you only can clip one at a time, download that. The next deal I'm going to do is the Tide Pods, and I think I'm going to get the April Fresh Downy. I just like that. That's the big one. The $4.95, and it's a $2 digital. Now, I noticed this week that Family Dollar didn't really have a flyer like they did last week. So you kind of have to watch other YouTubers, or you might can scan on your phone the prices. I don't think you can though. But kind of go by what was last week. They have a little flyer in the coupon inserts, but they don't, like some stores have taken some of the prices down. So that can be a little challenge. But go on Instagram, go on YouTube, find somebody that has written down the prices for you and the breakdowns. Okay, y'all, so the next deal I'm going to do, they don't have any other infusions, which I'm really sad. But they have the Bounce Wrinkle Guard. It took me a minute to find what I want because I tried these Unstoppables. And it's $1.50 off of 5. Okay, the next deal I'm gonna get the Febreze, which is 2 for $3, and I have a digital coupon, buy 2 get $3 off. So it's $1.50 or $3 for 1 and get 1 for free. The next 2 deals are the Tide Simply Pods with $1 digital, which make it $1.95, and the bottle here $1.95. Guys, is the Clorox Cleaning, which is a smaller bottle. It is a 43-ounce fluid size, and it's a $1 off digital coupon. It's $2.25 each for both of those. $1 in off of 2, and I scanned it to make sure because this right here works as well. Okay, the next deal is the Arm & Hammer, which is $4.75. It's not marked anymore. $4.75, $1 off, which makes it $3.75, $1 digital. Hi guys, so I'm back from Family Dollar, and I did 2 transactions, and I knew it was okay to do the 10 off of 50 and then do the 5 off of 25. I just asked the cashier anyway. But yeah, this one is 10 off of $50. I am really proud of this one because it went beautifully. The other one did too, but I had to do the breakdown. I have to do the breakdown to see, because I did do pretty good for that one to only be $19. But this total for all these items here was $31.47, and I saved $30. Where are we at? Save $30. Okay, so if you're new to Family Dollar, they have an app, And it's a bunch of wonderful YouTubers and Instagram accounts that at first I was just like, my head, I didn't understand. So what you're going to do, and I'm trying to break this down so my aunt can understand, because we was trying to get her the coupon years ago, and she would get it, but then she wouldn't get it. So Aunt Rose, if you're listening, Aunt Wanda, okay, what you're going to do is you're going to download the Family Dollar app on your phone. For this particular sale this week, it is 20 off of 75 if you have it on the app. I heard that they took that off or took that away, but if you already clipped it, you still have it. But they have the 10 off of 50 and 5 off of 25. So those might be really good, especially if you're new and you don't really know where to start. It might be best to start small first. So you're going to download the app and you just clip the coupons. All of these are digital. So when I used to start, I really didn't shop at Dollar General or Family Dollar, CVS. I just went to the grocery store and did most of my couponing. And it was a lot of paper and it was a lot of printables. But they really restrict a lot of the, especially P&G, which is the Procter & Gamble insert that comes on Sunday. There are 3 inserts, Procter & Gamble, Retail Me Not. It used to be Red Plum. It's called Retail Me Not. And Smart Source. So on the spine of the insert, they have dates on them, and you'll just write the insert or the date of that Sunday and let me show you. You'll just use a marker, which I only had a pen at the time. And this particular paper here was March the 1st, the Sunday, RMN. So the Retail Me Not paper. And the dates are on the spine of the insert. Okay, so what you're going to do is the regular price of the item or the sale price, you're going to add that up to either it adds to 25 or whatever your budget is. But this week, if you're trying to hit 50, for this, I was trying to hit 50. So the regular price, like for the Vaseline, for example, was $3. So I knew I was getting 2 of them. So I made sure in my little notebook, I wrote $3, then I put 2 so I knew that it was 6. So you can just write 6 if you want, but I wanted to make sure I didn't get confused. So write the regular price of the item. Then you want to write down the, let's see, let me show y'all. My handwriting is jagged. But what I want to do is I want to make an insert for you guys. So I had like the regular price of the item, the coupon price or the sale discount price, like buy 2, get 2 free. No, buy 2, save 2, or buy 1, get 1 free. So I wrote that down so I wouldn't get confused. And then this price is over here is the price with the coupon. So this regular price, you want it to add up to $50 to get the 10 off of 50. You see what I'm saying? Because at first I was confused and I was like, well, how do you save if you use the coupons and then your total has to be a certain amount? I was just completely confused. And that's the same for Dollar General too. So at first I didn't quite get it. And I'm like, why am I not getting this? I guess it just took, me actually doing it and it finally clicked. Okay, so the Vaseline was actually $3.50 and it was a digital coupon where if you spent $9 in Vaseline products and some other things, I don't remember what the other things were. So these are the items that I picked up. The 2 lotions and the lip balm. I needed some of this anyway. This was $2. So this totaled to $9. And then I believe you spent $9, you got $3 off. Then the Tide Simply Pods. This was a $1 digital coupon. So it came to $1.93. So you want to make sure you look at your size, look at your quantities. You can use the app and scan the item to see if it qualified. Last week, most of everything that I picked up qualified because it was tagged, but this week it wasn't tagged. So, yeah, that was a little frustrating, but I'm glad they had that scan feature because it helped. The Downy was $5 with $1.50 digital, making it $4.50. The Febreze, I did show this in the store. Some things I didn't because I was like near the workers or they were talking or something. I was just really trying to figure what I was doing out, even though I pre-planned it. And then, so this was buy two, get $3 off. So it's either, you know, you can say $1.50 each, or either you get one of them free. Okay, so the Crest Pro Health was $3.50 with a $2 and, let's see, y'all. I just saw it, $2.50 digital, I believe. You know, $2 digital. So it made it $1.50. So it probably was some other Crest that I probably could have picked up, and it was only $1. I really wanted the Downy infusions, but they didn't have any more. They probably were in stock, but they probably were in boxes because they had a lot of boxes. So I had to scan several of the bounce sheets, but I finally found something that went with that coupon, and it was these 50 count bounce wrinkle guard mega sheets. These are $5, and then it was $1.50 coupon. So I had to do some math because this was a little bit different price than the infusions, and I had to just figure out, make sure I got to my $50 subtotal. The Suave, I was watching several videos, and I did not even know that these qualified for that Suave coupon. I think it's buy two, get two free, and these are $1. No, I'm sorry. Buy two, get $2 off, and these are $1 each, and they work with that coupon. So I was like, oh, that's getting it for free. Okay, so the Clorox over here, this is a smaller size. I know on camera sometimes it doesn't show, or seems like the true to size on camera. So this is the 1.34 quart, and they were $2.25 each. Arm & Hammer regular price is $5, and this size is it'll tell you on the coupon, the 61.25 fluid ounces. And the sale price this week, it's $4.75 in my store. And so it was $1 off coupon, which made it $3.75 digital. It's Todd Simply, the ounces there. It's 31 ounces. It's $2.95 with a $1 digital, so it's $1.95. And the regular price is $3.50. So to make sure I'm clear, when you want to subtotal, to make sure you reach either your budget limit, or if you're trying to reach a certain amount, whether it's $25 or $50 or $75, make sure it's that amount, either the sale price or the regular price, not including the coupon price. So make sure your total gets to that 50 mark, or 25 or 20, whatever it is. And then if you're really trying to, do your budget and make sure you hit that limit, then do your digital coupons or your coupon, and then your subtotal, and then that $5 or $10, $20 that comes off at the end of the register. So make sure that's clear. Okay, and then the gain, I believe, was $7.50. So normally this gain, I believe, is $8 regular price, but the store has it on sale for $7.50, and it's a $1 digital coupon. Actually, it's $8.50 the gain. So my $10 smart coupon came off. My subtotal was $28.10, tax $3.37. I paid $31.47, and I saved $30. So that one was awesome. Okay, guys, so the other transaction that I did, I spent a total of $19.62 for 2, 4, 6, 7 items. So at first I didn't feel like this was really good because I wanted to pay $15 or $10. But then I looked at it and I was like, it's pretty good because that's a lot of fabric softener. So I had to make this one up on the whim while I was in there, but it was a couple of things that I knew that I wanted anyway to incorporate in my stockpile. In my next video, couponing video, I'll take you guys upstairs and show you my little stockpile that's building up already, and I just started. Okay, so the Gain dryer sheets, it was $7.50 sale price. The regular price was $8.50, and the digital coupon was $1, so that made it $6.50 for 200 Gain dryer sheets, which is really good. Okay, the Renews It Oil singles, they were buy one get one free, so these were $5. And then the Cottonelle flushable cloths, 42 count. They were $2.25, and it was $1 digital. Let's see. The Lysol Mango and Hibiscus was $2.50, and I had a 50-cent digital. And then the Clorox bowl cleaner, let's see, with bleach gel, $2 with a 50-cent digital. And then the big thing of Gain, which is 90 fluid ounces, and regular price is $8.50, and it was on sale for $7.50, $1 digital. And so my $5 came off, and I spent $19.62. So yeah, so I just want to make sure I clarified. So when you're trying to reach, for this one, for example, I was trying to reach $25. I didn't add this price here, the regular price, unless that is the only price and there's no sale price. I added the $7.50, the $5, the $4.25. I don't know if I added the $5 or not, but the $2.50 and the $2, and then that's how I knew. Oh, that's how I calculate if I reached my threshold or not. That makes sense, y'all. So, guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to answer them. And I think what I'll do is I put the breakdown at the end of the video, so you can screenshot it or pause if you want to and write it down. Bye-bye, y'all.